We're just days away from the anticipated release date for the GoPro Hero 11 Black, and as we get closer, we're learning more and more about what to expect. In this video, I'm going over 3 features that have been confirmed by a reliable source. You're going to want to hear about all 3 of them, trust me. The first confirmed spec is that the Hero 11 will be able to take photos at 27 megapixels, which is great if you really need to crop and zoom in and still want to get a nice quality photo. That ties directly into confirmed feature number 2. The 11 is going to have a new sensor, and we know that because the current sensor in the 9 and 10 is made by Sony. It's the IMX667, and the maximum megapixels on that is 23.91. So in order to achieve 27 megapixels, that means there's going to have to be a new sensor. We don't know the size of that sensor, but I'm hoping it's enough of an upgrade to improve the low light performance and even up that dynamic color range. There was more information in the article that was really surprising to me. I'm going to share that a little bit later in the video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. I'm going to continue to bring you the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Confirmed feature number 3 is improved stability. So we're going to get Hyper Smooth 5.0, which is great. Maybe we're going to get to the level where we can mimic a gimbal, which would be awesome. Now for that bonus information that surprised me. It looks like GoPro is not increasing the video resolution of the Hero 11 Black. It's going to be 5.3K at 60 frames per second. There was a lot of talk and belief that they would push for 5.7K, maybe 6K at 30 frames per second, but no, looks like that's not going to happen, which also puts in a serious doubt of them going for a slow-mo of 4K at 240. Hopefully we're going to hear all the features and specs directly from GoPro in the near future. If you decide to buy the Hero 11 Black, you're going to have to decide whether you want to pay for the GoPro subscription plan. To hear whether the plan has value or is a ripoff, check out this video here.